Yo, what's going on, guys? It's DragsterTV here, back at it again. And right now, I'm just chilling here in my room, the DragsterTV headquarters for right now. There's the gaming setup. So yeah, today's video, I'm just pre-recording this intro right now because today is going to hopefully be a very fun day. So, let's give you a bit of a backstory, and then we'll talk about today's video. So, on Monday, alright, right now is Friday, today, on Monday, I went up to a town that was about a half hour away, to a motorcycle shop that always repairs my dirt bike tires. Well, actually, before that Monday, about a week before that Monday, I had popped my dirt bike tire somehow, right? And then, so I took it up to him. You know, it was a cheap fix, and I saw he had some little blue, I think they were Trailmaster go-karts sitting out. So I asked him about it. He said, no, those are customers I'm working on, but I have an Odyssey frame, a Honda Odyssey frame. He didn't tell me the year, but just by looking at it, I could tell it was like a 77. It looked like somewhere around that. And, yeah, so I thought it was pretty cool. I looked it over. I recorded a video of it. I was just thinking about if I should buy it. I asked him how much for it. He said $100 cash. So I thought about it, and I'm coming back today to go and pick it up because on Monday I gave him the $100 for it. So today I will be going down there. The place is a half hour away. It's just a small little motorcycle shop in Missouri. That's where I live. And yeah, so I'm just going to be going up there and making a bit of a vlog video because currently right now, I probably shouldn't bring it up right now, but anyways, on my community page, because I just hit 10K 2 days ago, thank you guys so much for that, by the way. I was thinking of a 10K celebration video that I should make for you guys, and the top winner right now is a vlog video. Well, right up at it with a giveaway video because, you know, people just want giveaways, obviously. But this will be the vlog video that I can take off the list. Anyways, it's not the complete winner because I will be choosing it tomorrow, which is Saturday, because I set it up on Wednesday, I think. That's a bit of a besides the point. So today's vlog will just be me going up to the town that is a half hour away from me, going to the motorcycle shop. We just went ahead and cleared off all the wood logs that was actually on the trailer, and then yesterday. So now we can go ahead and finally take it up there, and you know, load it up, take it back here. First thing I'm going to do, it's been sitting for multiple years. It does not have the original motor. The entire frame is there, except for the only two things it's missing. So just imagine a Honda Odyssey 77, or yeah, somewhere around that year. So 77, I'm pretty sure, was the first year of Honda Odyssey. It's an FL250 frame. It has no motor and no seat. That's the only two things missing. So if I go to a town which has a Harbor Freight Tools shop in it, or store, not shop, in that same town, which is an hour away, if I go there, you guys may know what's at Harbor Freight if you've ever been to one. They have a huge selection of motors. They have a 79cc Predator, 212 Predators, and 420 Predators, 670 Predators, you know, a whole selection. And last time I was there, a few days ago, I checked, and sure thing, they did have a 420 Predator in stock. Yes, that is the motor. I will be mounting it up. There are a lot of videos of 212 Predators, people putting them in Honda Odysseys, not my specific year, but I think a 79, which is close enough, and it's an FL250 frame. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I just said 212 Predators because a lot of people, it's really common to put 212 Predators in it, but I will actually be putting a 420 Predator in it, and I've actually only seen 2 people do it here on YouTube. So I will make a series of me working on it, and this will just be my first ever vlog here on the channel. I am just recording here on my iPhone 7. We will be getting up there here in a little bit. It is currently 10 a.m. right now, so yeah, 10 a.m. on the dot. That's funny. So I guess I'll catch you guys when we leave here in a few hours. They close at 6, so we do have a lot of hours and lots of time. So the trailer is cleared off. I guess I'll catch you guys at the truck. Sorry this is such a long intro. It's my first vlog, so you know, this is just the whole headquarters right here, the full 360. That is the setup right now. That's what I'm looking at And yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys once I'm in the truck on my way there. Give you guys a bit of an update, and then once I'm in the truck there, I'll just move on to when I'm there. And then in Harbor Freight Tools to pick up the motor. And then for another video, as progression, I will be taking off all four wheels and tires. I will be mounting the motor, you know, first drive, all that good stuff. So without this intro or video in itself just being way too long, I will catch you guys as soon as I get there. Alrighty guys, so here she is. I know it's not in the best condition. It's been sitting for a lot of years, so you know the paint's kinda, it's had its way. It's got the Odyssey sticker right there. This was the old seat belt. So all I need to do is just drop in a seat. I'm gonna mount, I don't know if that's the right mounting plate. I have one in my cart on GoPowerSports.com for a 420 mounting plate. So I'm going to either cut that off. I'll see what mounting plate that is. It was originally a lawnmower engine. Here's the pulley thing right here. So this is what rolls it. So all I need is just a belt with the 420. Run some new cables around. Here's the condition this is in. Still got the one headlight. You know, the quirky look that it kind of had. Oh, that's a hole right there, but we might be able to replace that. We'll see. No fenders. Here's the transmission. It still has on it, which is good. There's the old gas tank that I put on it. Here's the steering wheel. We're about to back it up and rolled up on there. So yeah, this is it. Pretty cool. And we should have this in my garage tonight. Sometime tomorrow, I'm going to for sure. Well, wait, maybe not tomorrow. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say maybe tonight, because it's a Friday night, so we can. If we do end up putting this on jack stands, I will be able to remove all four wheels and tires on the jack stands. You know, have my way with it, check it out, and then start price checking some stuff. As you guys can see, to fit the motor, they kind of butchered that up. It's not the best frame, but it'll work. And we get this for free. And this is it.
Close the ramp.
Now I'll close it in just a second.
What do you think? That thing was pretty long.
Oh yeah, it is. It's pretty long.
About a foot front, foot in the back.
Oh yeah, looks sweet. Alright, well, not a new proud owner of it. It kind of has some bent wheels, but it'll buff. It's all good. So, yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and shut this here. Looks like, should turn out pretty nice. And I'll see you guys once I get back home. Okay guys, so I've just gone ahead and made it home. So there's not much to see because you guys saw it on the trailer. I'm pretty sure that was the last clip I showed. We did a little bit more running around after it was on the trailer. But quick look over. This is it right here. So that bar is not supposed to be bent, if I am not wrong. I'm still trying to figure out. I'm not going to teach you, so I'm going to get There's a little bug. I'm not going to keep these. I'm probably going to get new ones off of GoPowersports.com. GoPowersports.com is probably going to be the main supplier, because they have really nice go-kart parts, pretty much just all the stuff I need for this build for cheaper prices. So that's what should be making up half this build. I'm keeping a lot of it, but you know, you kind of need some new parts with a build like this. So let's talk about it. I do not know what that is. Right there. Probably something important. I will get a whole new wire set out of GoPowersports.com. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form. But hopefully one day, if go-kart builds becomes a normal thing here on my channel, maybe they might pay me just a bit, or send me, or no, I forgot. With their sponsors, they would be sending me parts to fund my other builds, instead of paying me money. So that might be a good deal. So you know, go Power Sports. I might be doing some more builds in the future, but if you'd like to help fund this, then you know, let me know. My email's in the description. Anyways, guys, so yeah, this is go-kart. I will be making a series of like restoring the entire thing. I'm not going for a full restoration. I don't think that's what you guys know right now. I'm not going for full restoration. I'm of course not putting the original motor in. I'm going to put on a 420 Predator, as I just said, and touching up some other stuff. So it should be a pretty fun build. But with that, that's pretty much it for today's video and all I have to have for today. I know today's video was not a gaming video, but I thought I'd switch it up and make today a bit of a fun day. It's almost 90 degrees right now, so it's like really hot out here. Need to find how this one light works. But we'll figure it out. Alright, guys. But yeah, with that, thanks for watching. Make sure to have a great rest of your day and night, and I'll catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.